A dual carriageway is a road where streams of traffic flowing in opposite directions are separated by a central barrier or island called a central reservation. Dual carriageways can have 2 or more lanes. We have a 30 mph speed limit in force here, which is usually the case in a built-up area. Look out for new road signs where we can travel up to a higher speed limit if the conditions are good. Make progress and keep up with the flow of traffic. When emerging from a junction turning left or right into a dual carriageway, be extra careful as some roads may have drivers travelling up to 70 mph if the national speed limit applies. To judge a possible gap here, you need to be very sharp. Don't be tempted to emerge left here, as one driver may change position suddenly into the left-hand lane. Wait for a longer gap. A slip road or on-ramp is an access road to an expressway or motorway. If you have a long ramp and good visibility, use this to build up speed to match that of the traffic on the carriageway. Time your entry to coincide with a comfortable gap in the traffic from your right. If you have a shorter slip road, you may have to ease off the power on the approach until you can see a longer break in traffic. You may have to let traffic pass you rather than accelerate in front of them. When leaving the carriageway by an off-ramp, unless there's a tailback of traffic, keep your speed level until you're in the slip road itself, then slow down. When you're turning right from a carriageway into a side road, make sure you don't turn too early, as the first gap here is to allow drivers to emerge from the side road. Use road signs to help to plan your route and get in the correct lane early, especially if you leave the carriageway by turning right at a roundabout. Look out for end of dual carriageway warning signs, especially if you've just considered an overtake. The next warning sign will be two-way traffic. You may end up facing an oncoming car.